Snipe Squad, we're going on, boy. I'm talking about on. Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones coming back with another video for y'all today, man. Today is Thursday, and you know what that means, bro. Today, the Yeezy V2 Static had dropped, which is a Thursday. Now, y'all know how I feel about early in the week releases. I wish they was on Saturdays like they used to be, but it's all good, man, because I got a little bit of time left before I got to head to the gym and get in this work, you know what I mean? So I got to head to Greenbrier Mall, pick up these shoes, and I'm actually happy that they pushed the pickup time a lot later because it used to be like 3 o'clock. Now the pickup time is 6 o'clock, so I have enough time to go in, do what I gotta do, and still leave out and handle the rest of the day. Before we get into the video, man, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we grinding, trying to get to them limits, man. We gotta push them limits. Also, guys, check out the merch, man. This will be linked down below in the description for anybody who still wants some of that Sniper Jones merch. We still got the hoodies, and we still got the hats for you guys. So if you want that, click down below. We got you. Also, follow me on Instagram where I post some of the dopest pics, and also, man, your boy do giveaways on my story that you don't want to miss because that's on dog. It's getting cold out here in Atlanta, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you, so I'm about to bundle up, get ready to slide out. Y'all ready, man? Let's get it. Yeah. Now, y'all already know when we get into the whip, we gotta bump something smooth, you know what I'm saying? So let's see what we're gonna be bumping today. Alright, y'all, so like I said, we on our way to the mall to go pick up these kicks. I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick, man. Like, I haven't really been getting a chance to talk to y'all as much as I could. Honestly, it gets dark so fast, I'm not able to vlog as much as I'm used to because as soon as I'm done taking care of everything I gotta take care of, the sun is damn near down by like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. So quickly, I wanted to talk about my thoughts on this Static V2 before I pick them up. Now, I did get a lot of y'all DMs asking me, did I pick up the Statics? And sometimes it's hard to reply to those because I want y'all to kind of just like wait and see for the video because I'm gonna get the video out ASAP, so I'm not gonna have you waiting that long. I feel like I'm about to tell you, yes, I kind of like spoil a surprise, I guess, you know what I'm saying? But I actually took a L on a Yeezy Supply exclusive, the reflective joints, man. They dropped at like 12 o'clock p.m., man. I had no idea. That's the thing with Yeezy Supply, bro. A lot of people have no idea. A lot of people actually had the link to just grab their shoe and be already like ready to check out, which is crazy. But I thought they was gonna drop like 3, 4 in the morning like they used to be dropping. They definitely hit me with the ooh-wop dropping at 12 o'clock. I was not ready for that. But honestly, man, I was close on passing on these, bro. Like seeing them in pictures, I really wasn't feeling them as much as I thought I would. And I'm just hoping that when I get them in hand, that kind of changed my mind. Y'all know me, bro. I ain't copping no kicks I don't like. Yeezys or not. At the end of the day, I gotta like the shoe. So we gonna see, I guess. Alright, man, it's a little windy out here, so hopefully y'all can hear me. I did buy a wind protector for the mic. It's my first time actually using it that much since I actually bought the damn thing, and I put it on at the perfect time. So let me know down below how the sound sounds, even though I can tell when I edit the video. Anyways, man, we up here at Greenbrier Mall. Y'all already know, majority of the time when I hit for a pair of Yeezys or any sneaker that causes for an app raffle, it's always here at this mall. Now, to be honest with y'all, it's not the best mall to go to, you know what I'm saying? Look, if you one of my homies, bro, and you my dog, and you tell me you need my help and you at Greenbrier, I ain't gonna hold you, bro. You on your own. So one thing about Greenbrier is they hate when I vlog. Y'all know what's up if you watch my videos. You know Greenbrier hates when I vlog, especially the Foot Locker. What's crazy is it's like on and off. Whenever the manager is there, that's when I get the most hate. But whenever the manager not there, it's all love. So it really depends on if the manager there or not. And I'm gonna know if the manager there or not by the time I get to the window, cause he know me, he recognize me every time. Dude get on his mic and he be like, hey yo, look, here he come, here he come. I don't know what it is about them not liking me recording, but they hate when I record. Y'all know we Snipe Squad, boy. I ain't going for none of that. That's on squad, you know what I mean? So as of right now, I'm rocking the 500s, the Yeezy 500s, man. This is honestly one of, I think, the most comfortable model there is. I do like the 700, I own the 350, but the 500 It's so weird because it's the only Yeezy without the boost, but it feels the best, which is so crazy. They're the ugliest too, but they feel it better. I swear, bro, you come in this mall, you see some of the weirdest stores you ever seen in your life. One dude back there selling yoga pallets. Please tell me how the hell you sell yoga pallets. Somebody else over there selling false teeth. It's like a boutique for anything in this store, bruh. Do not ever come here.
She can take you. She can take you out.
So they have a Puma store in here that's actually very lit. If y'all haven't seen the video, me and Tony D did a video in here. It was a Puma event where Puma actually came out. Big Crit was here. They had the Sonic the Hedgehog game out here. It was like during the time where they had the RSO collab. And what I really like about Puma, the shoe that I'm thinking about getting the most, is right over here. These Puma Thunder Spectres, bro. Like, I really love this shoe. And I remember when they first dropped, resale was absolutely crazy for these. Now they sitting at 120. Easy cop, man. I don't know why I haven't picked them up yet, but I am gonna pick these up. This is my favorite Puma that they've made so far. Now I am seeing people do a lot of reviews on the Transformer ones. It's this one, and then you have the red, white, and blue one with a little bit of gray. Both of these are pretty dope. I don't mind these either. They're pretty cool, but at the end of the day, the sneaker that gets the W, in my opinion, is this Thunder Spectre. This is fire, bro. This is fire. So Jimmy Jazz has the Sesame still sitting after like a month, 2 maybe. These shits is still in here now. The size is small. What size is this? This is like a kid size. This is a size 4. But just the fact that they still sitting is crazy. Like, Yeezy sitting is still crazy to me. Now, honestly, I thought that the pair that I picked up today kind of gonna change the Yeezy hype. I think the only thing that changed the Yeezy hype was a reflective pair, but I think I'm gonna get into that a little bit later when I get to the studio because I want to talk about that for a second. All right, y'all, mission accomplished, man. Your boy came through the mall, picked up my pair of Yeezys, the static V2s after all the hoopla, the 3M babies. That's what they calling them in the hood, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, y'all know I don't really open up my sneakers until I get back to the crib, so I don't know what they look like yet. What I do know is I didn't see a lot of people picking up their shoes, and I don't know if that means they hit on a reflective pair or people not really checking for these as much as they can, because I know what a lot of people do is they accept a lot of sneakers. You know, when it comes to the app, you gotta accept the sneaker or you can pass up. A lot of people accept sneakers that they know damn well they're not picking up. A lot of people accept sneakers that they know they're not picking up, bro. Like, you might hit for 5 pair and you accept all 5 and you only got money for 1. So that might be the case too. It's like a lot of pairs that are spoken for that's not really gonna get picked up. That's why I tell you guys, man, go to the mall and see. Wait during that time where like 6 o'clock, 3 o'clock, because those times are where if the pairs aren't picked up, the rest of the people can just like buy them, like buy the extra pairs left over. Because people just be picking up pairs and saying they're gonna pick up pairs for no reason at all. Now listen, man, if these actually wind up being trash, I'm gonna be low-key salty, bruh. I'm really banking on these Yeezys to be where it need to be. Now, in my opinion, even though Yeezys haven't been selling out as much as they used to, all of the colorways have been lit. Butters was like the only one that was like, ah. And even that one is an extra neutral color that you can rock with just about anything. The Sesame, in my opinion, is the best neutral color the V2 colorway has. The Zebra re-release, like we already know, the Zebra is arguably the best Yeezy V2 period. And the semi-frozen yellow, come on, bro, that's just a banger. That's an absolute banger. This Yeezy is something different, man. He tried something different, and I don't know if it's gonna be a hit or a miss. What I do know is we just need to get back to the crib so we can find out. So I'll see y'all back home. All right, guys, we are back at the crib, man. Finally back home at the studio, man. And as I was saying, this pair of sneakers is definitely one that I wanted to get a chance and look at because I put a lot into these, bruh. I said these was gonna be fire. I said that they were gonna be the ones to bring Yeezy back in my How to Cop video. Receipt of course. We don't need those. I'm kind of nervous, man. The reason why I'm nervous is because I hate going on limbs saying stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've never been like the dude with the bold predictions, saying these are gonna sell out or this is gonna sell this many. Like, I don't like doing that because honestly, bro, like you can get bit in the ass doing stuff like that. So I don't really like it. But anyways, man, to the unboxing or to the first look on these V2s we have. Not too bad, man. Honestly, not too bad. We have the Yeezy V2 Static. Now, looking at these for the first time, y'all know I have to be as honest as I possibly can. Let me get a good look around, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let me get a nice little look around. Of course, They got the 3M laces. These are the general release pairs, so this does not have the fully reflective, like the bottom half, the entire shoe is not fully reflective like the Yeezy Supply exclusives were. Let me know if you were lucky enough to get that Yeezy Supply exclusive. But I don't know, man. It's just like, I like it, but like, do I need it? I'm not sure, bro. It just reminds me so much of this. You know what I'm saying? And like, I feel like it is this, but with like enhancements, I want to say. Now this is the cream V2, right? The most widely available Yeezy, I think, of all time still, if I'm not mistaken. And this one is just like, it's like the exact same shoe, but they just did some extra with it. What I do like about the shoe is that translucent Yeezy 350 stripe that you see right there. You see that? That's translucent, so you can honestly see through that. That's a dope touch. We have not seen that from a Yeezy yet. It kind of gives me like that Zoom Fly type of feel, because the Zoom Flies or the Nike React, the Element React, got that whole thing going on. Let me know if I'm tripping, y'all. Like, am I really tripping? Like, do y'all see what I see? Now, as I said previously, I do think this is a good pickup. Do I think that this shoe brought back the hype? Because I know I spoke on that briefly at Jimmy Jazz, but I just wanted to get back on that topic. I don't think this shoe is gonna bring back the hype, man. Honestly. Now, I seen these early at SneakerCon Houston. Actually, Jumper Man Chris had picked these up. He told me about them. I didn't see them. I went around, I looked at the table. I was not able to see them, but he told me about them like 2-3 months ago. What was that, 2 months ago, a month ago? I'm not sure, maybe a month ago. I'm tripping, it definitely wasn't 3 months ago. So a month ago, he told me about these, and he told me it might bring them back. And honestly, bro, I don't think they will. Like I said, resale was gonna be high for the reflective pair. That was Yeezy Supply only. But this is probably like the first Yeezy I picked up this year that I don't know if like I need to cop. This wasn't a must cop. All the other Yeezys behind me were a must cop. I can see me trading these or selling these later on throughout the year, man. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. Who knows though? Sneakers are often like music. Sometimes it grows on you. Sometimes you just need to see them on foot, or sometimes you just need to, I don't know, man, look at them a little bit more, keep them around a little bit more, and your mind might change. But as of now, my first thought is, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? It's alright. Of course, I'm not seeing it with the 3M touches, but even with the 3M touches, I just think it's okay. If you can get it, I would say get it. What I want y'all to do is to tell me if you would cop this Yeezy V2 Static, or actually tell me how you feel about this Yeezy V2 Static, and I will shout you out my next video. All you have to do is just comment and tell me what you think about this, because I really don't know what to think, bro. Like, I don't know. And I would really like to see what y'all think about this, because I want to know I'm not tripping. Anyways, guys, I want to ask y'all to subscribe to the channel. Also, follow me on Instagram, where I post some of the dopest pics. And like I say, I do story giveaways that you don't want to miss. If you have not been following me and you've been subscribed to me for this long, you sleep, man. You don't know what you're missing. Once again, to my people out there who cop the merch, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. To the people who have not got a chance to cop the merch yet, it is linked down below in the description, man. Go over to Waver for the Fame, copy some merch, whether it's the hoodies, the hats, or anything we have going on over there. All of it is appreciated. It is your boy, Sniper Jones. Yeezy V2 Static. You know the review is coming very, very soon. And I will catch up with y'all, man. Gang, gang.